scratchers, you need to watch this video. This is how to do a scratch project. I'm gonna do one, and the most important block is the one green flag clicked. When you press the green flag, that means it runs the project. And the second most important block is forever, if you want it to forever run. And if you want something moving, like doing like this, you can go glide 1 second to random position. So you put 1 free. Yeah, it moves a lot. But what if you want one guy on a specific spot? Like here. You need to go to the go to X 63Y61. It always goes from that point. So, if you want more, you can actually go. If you do not want to glide, you can actually go to random position. And yeah. If you like more chaotic stuff, this can be the best. But if you like more calm stuff like this, it can also do this. Go to mouse pointer. Yes, and it's always locked onto the center of the mouse. If you want something like this, well, I just taught you how to do it. Well, first of all, change Y by 10. So it's at 63, but now it actually needs to be a negative amount of Y. That means the Y is less than 0. So 2, 10. How do we know? But, you know why this is not working? Because it's supposed to be negative to 10. And then, look, it's actually going up. So, on edge bounce. Well, first of all, this go to 63 by negative 210 does not work on this. Because it's already almost on the damn edge. Like here. So first of all, we should go to like 0, and then it's supposed to be 0. If you go there, first of all, it shows there. Then glide 1 second to random position if on edge bounce, and it bounces at the edge, but it's kind of broken, so do not use this block. So this and point the direction 90. Dude, what is this? Well, it can actually be point direction negative 40. Can we point direction negative 40? It glide 1 second to the random position. And if you put use this block like if on edge bounce, then the direction will actually change. Look at that. Sometimes. Okay, so if we want to delete all of this except the green flag, well, if you really want to go like glide to like right here 93.76, if you're 240, then you can do that, and then like this. It is gliding all the way to that point. So, and if it's point towards mouse pointer. But if you want it always following you, it should be a forever loop. Yes, that's cool. And if you want it to glide, like to move, you can go to glide 1 second to random position. Maybe like that. supposed to be random one. Oh, spawn. You can make a fun farming game, but it won't work that well. You only need to go with straight lines. So that's movement. Cool movement. If you would set Y to 147, but forever it's supposed to point towards mouse pointer, then it's always on that point. Well, if you would set rotation still right to left, don't rotate around. So yeah, you like that. First of all, yeah, that's about your movement. I think that's literally all you need to know about the movement. If you want something to say, I don't know, hello people, it could be like that. Thing, I don't know what even. I think I get it, because Fink has these two buttons. So if he's thinking like that, and if you want to make another costume like that, you can do this. That's costume 2, that's costume 1. That's costume 2. So, you can also do costume 1, like that. But if you want to be real cheesy, you can go to the wait 1 second block. It could be 0.5 seconds. Go into a forever loop. And it's supposed to... Let's switch costume to costume 2. But if you do not want it immediately changing it, you can put a 0.5 seconds right there. And look at that. That could be a pretty cool walk cycle if you just make it glide to one specific point. And of course, towards this 215 negative 14, you need to go negative 165. Yeah. Well, it's kind of buggy because it glides before you go to the forever loop. So this is a failed project. What if we still make it the same speed? Well, if you go to next costume, it'll always switch. But if you want to make a new backdrop, like this, you can make it, I don't know. I'm just doing this as a set example. I'm just doing this, like that. It's backdrop 2. And switch backdrop to backdrop 1. But how do you get backdrop 2? Well, it's quite easy. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Or if you want to be a bit more cheesy, or you really like it, you can make this ball. This is another sprite. There's currently no code in this. So when you click, when it clicks, it's supposed to show. Yes, I know it's supposed to show, but there's also another very important block when this sprite clicked. And there's another important one. Broadcast switch backdrops. Switch backdrops. And when it's clicked, it's supposed to be switch backdrop to backdrop 1. But there's also when I see switch backdrops, it's supposed to switch to backdrop 2. And if you want a bit more cool spot, like at the top right corner, So this cat could do anything. If you click this, it can do that. So that is the looks, but we haven't did anything yet. What is change type of 10? If you want something cool, we can make another ball that is on the top left corner, like this. -220 show, but it's not gonna broadcast that. It's gonna broadcast a new message. When you click the new message button, you can make cat bigger. And this also is supposed to be set size to 100%. And when I will say make cat bigger, you need to go to a forever loop. So if you click this button, and that's pretty cool, right? Well, how do we make the costumes don't look alike? Yes, that's a bold move, but I'm just gonna do like this. So you kind of see that there's actually kind of a difference there. This makes the cat bigger, this switches the backdrop. But what does the cat even do? Is it supposed to just stand there? No, it's supposed to then glide. It's supposed to be doing something. It's supposed to be grade 0.5, and it's supposed to be all doing that. Look at that. It is very big. So it's quite an adventure, isn't it? So we did almost all of the looks, but we haven't got any of the looks left. Do we want to make this button red? Yeah, you could use it with, but if you want the vapor brush button, how I did with this, you could, this second backdrop, you could just walk about and draw. With this, you can actually change the, stretchiness of objects. Erase is, you can erase part of the object like this. And you could do like that. You could reform. You could make things be like what they were with that button right here. It fills with one color. If you do the bucket tool, if you do the text tool, well, you can be like Lucas button, but it's supposed to be a different color. And my favorite color is blue. You do not need to actually make this blue. I just did it because it's my favorite color. So, I want to click it. It makes the cat bigger. So, but we aren't finished with the damn looks. So, you're gonna say, when is this shit looks gonna be finished? I cannot stand you, Luke. Well, you forgot about the change color effect. It changes everything. By 25. But you can make another sprite. I honestly choose things that aren't a human. Like, I'm gonna do a basketball. And my Scratch sometimes lags. So yeah, basketball. So the basketball. So it's supposed to show. When clicked, show. Well, what does the hide block even mean? When you hide it, it's supposed to not be there. If you go show, it's supposed to make the object visible to the player's eyes. Clear the graphic effects. I don't know what the hell this even is for, but okay. Go to front layer, go to back layer. Well, it only works when you on this. Yes. So if you're on front layer, back layer. Go forward one layers if you want it to be like that. So, but the thing I wanted to tell you about is, again, but it's not this. It's supposed to be when the A key is pressed. It makes something to the cat or itself change color effect by 25. It always does that. So, look, it's flashy rainbows. So, you did that. But it's supposed to be set color effect by to 0. So, when you press the A key, you're like that. But when you rerun it, it has no color at all. So I just wanted to make you like that. This costume number, backdrop number. And we're gonna do some detective work. There's also if then we're gonna go to operators. 2. So, backdrop number equals 2. If backdrop number equals 2, you need to put this in this, not this in this. But you can actually put this in this if you want to. Backdrop number equals 2. Change fish rule effect forever. Okay, it was just me speaking Serbian. So, do not mind that button. So when you press the A key and then this. What the hell? Well, cause this shit does not work, of course. Look, of course, but how do you make it work? It's supposed to be when I will see switch backdrops. A key. Yes, look at that. It's becoming more and more like a cookie swirl. So, there was already a lot of things, and I already did all the looks. So, if you press the space key, you could make it start sound meow. And you can make any sound you want. I'm gonna make you something like to learn about this. So, and you can see that it got louder and it got quieter. If you want to press mute, then if you still want your sound, then do not press mute. Yeah, shit. Well, you can just do this to do meow. Like that. You can also make faster like this. I still like this, but if you want, do not robotify it. It will make the sound look so worse. If you copy paste it, you can do it. So it's cool like that, and then copy to new, and let's do that. But we do not need meow too. Let's see if you do it. Let's get to that. And yeah, if you want this is the most shitty game ever. But if you want to do more stuff with it, but you haven't seen this video, well, fuck you. Well, if you know a Scratch, then get the fuck up. So we did that. And you can also use this. But the reason why it's not is because it's until done. If you want more chaotic, it starts on now. I log that. But meow. But just for you to know, like, okay. So if you so you can change set pitch effect to -10. If you want -10, that is it's cheaper. If it's negative, if it's more than 0, that means it's higher. So okay, so if you press the space key, it's a bit more deep now, right? So you can do that if you want to clear sound effects. If you want to 1 second, it's gonna clear sound effects. Unfortunately, it does not work on this thing. So change volume by -10. I want to make it 100. Level 100. So you actually need to take this out if you want more volume. -10, yeah. So if you like the volume, but honestly I don't know why I need this volume. And here's this, the events. There's when loudest is over 10. Well, if you want, I don't know, any key pressed, you could do this. If you key pressed, you can do something like this. This backdrop, the backdrop free. You know how do we make backdrop free? You can copy from backdrop 1 or backdrop 2. I'm gonna copy from backdrop 1 because I do not want scribbled shit. But I'm gonna make scribbled shit with another pencil. Okay, so I'm done. And how do we get this to actually work? Why is it so damn laggy now? And it's stuck in this stupid backdrop shit, like for real. It's so stuck. Oh, unresponsive. Oh shit. Well, when the sprite clicked, switch cast backdrop to backdrop free. So when you click this guy, you need to click yes. You clicked it. You clicked that bitch. And it's yeah. Go. Yeah, you clicked them. A. U. Yeah, and if you do this, what? Okay, so now it's kind of like this, and so I think I cut the entire video. So just for you to know, what the fuck? Oh yeah, I teach you about these set pitch effect. Just if it's negative, it's yeah. Maybe I recorded this because it's 24 fucking minutes. And damn it. visible, son. But if you want something to be visible now, well, you can go to front layer like that, and then that for the basketball. So I did some form of elements here, but it's supposed to be switch costume to costume. To switch costume to costume 2. So when this click, oh yeah, we saw that. Okay, this. Yup, that's a crazy project. Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, so now we are at, yeah, and this. First of all, we're gonna make Abby. Yeah, now, oh yeah, Abby. So, when sprite clicked, first of all, it's supposed to be in the average. Hide, it's supposed to hide, but you need to wait 1 second. 1 second, you can make this any type of second. If you want 1 billion seconds or more, you're a damn psychopath. Okay, show. 1 second, show. And what do you do now? Wait, what's that? Yeah. Okay, now you need to set the size to 50%. And that Abby needs to be the bottom right corner like that. So, Abby is way cooler now. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's a cool project. If you want something, yeah. Wait, if you have wondered, what did you add the project name? Well, I'm gonna do the project name at the end of the damn video. But why not now? It's been 27 minutes. Shit. Well, you can be Luca Room Place.